Hi Tamara, so I'm going to show you how to update the header image on your website using the customizer. So to start off with, we're going to open up a new tab and I'm going to type in wordpress.com. So now I'm already logged in as you, so your dashboard should show up too, otherwise just log in. So what we're trying to do here, I'm going to pull up the site, TamaraBlackDesign.ca. So what we're trying to do here is update this image to a higher resolution. One of the ones that you sent me here. I'm going to pick this one, which is equally as gorgeous. I also really like this one. I might take that too. So I've downloaded them to my computer and I want to replace this image back here. So how do I do that? Well, I'm logged into wordpress.com and I'm going to come over here and go down to design and customize, because we're going to customize the design of the front page. Now the customizer is where you can change everything to do with the style of your website, okay? So here we've got a whole bunch of options. What we want to focus on here is the header image. So we go in here and we click add new image. So here are the images that we've already got uploaded. In this case, I have a new image. So I'm going to click upload files and I'm going to go select files and it should be in my downloads. I like them both a lot, but I'm going to go with that one. Now in the future, there is a way to name your images to improve your SEO. I'm not going to give you that information right now because it's overwhelming. I just want to let you know that naming your images will, of course, help boost your SEO. And we're going to go select and crop. So we don't need to do any cropping. If you wanted to, you could by just using these elements here. I'm going to leave it as is. And I'm going to say crop image. And now, like magic, our site suddenly has a much higher resolution image. So now if I click save change, it will have saved and I can go over to my other live website. I'm going to click reload and we can see here that the image is higher resolution. So now this might be an instance where I actually did want to crop that image because there's a lot of the ceiling showing in there. So I might choose to show more of that. Let's see how that shows up. Oh, it looks the exact same. Okay, well, I guess it has to take the full image. You don't get to crop. So we're going to go save changes. And there's no difference. So that's how you change the image. Let's say that you wanted to pick the other image that we downloaded. Add new image, upload files. Let's take this one because it's more symmetrical. I'm just copying the name of the other one. I'm going to rename that something similar, design 2. We're good. And there you go. You can play around with this a little bit. I do feel like the ceiling is up there really predominantly. I suspect that it needs like the full height to load as a header image, and that's why it's not updating. All right, well, if you wanted to choose a second image, you're welcome to play around here. So that is how you change the header image. If you want a different one that we've already uploaded, click add new image, select one of these, select and crop, crop image, and there you go. So you can play around with it there. Apparently, other than cropping the image, I apologize for that. So in this customizer, you can change things like your logo and profile image, your fonts right here. So your fonts would change what we see there. You've got a couple different options here. Feel free to reach out to me if you want more information with this, but that is usually what you're going to need to know. So good luck.